What's up everybody, Justin here on the homepage of Clovis. This is at IamClovis.com, and I'm going to walk you through how to use your Clovis coins to make purchases on the website. So if you sign up for an account at IamClovis.com, you will earn rewards on every single purchase, and those rewards equate to about 2% cash back on all purchases. Now here I am on the homepage, and if you go down to the bottom left-hand corner, just follow my cursor here. It says that I have $107.86 in coin. This is my little test account, right? So if I click this button, if I'm logged in, it's going to show me the coins that I have. Now, if you're not logged in, there'll be two buttons. One will say register and one will say log in. So you can either log in or you can register to create an account and start earning points on your very first reward. Now, if you see here in the top right-hand corner, I already have something in my cart here, so we're ready to go. So this is going to show the current rewards that you have. You can look up ways to earn more rewards. It'll show you all the ways to earn coins, the rewards that you have available. So this is how you earn coins. And then we go back here, and you can convert your coins into a discount. You can do this specific discount that's already here, $13.16 discount, apply to cart. So see all these $10 off, you can view or you can claim. So if you have 1,500 coins, let's say, you can click claim and it will give you a coupon code. So let's try to convert your coins into discount. Let's click claim. Now this is a whole lot of dollars. So let's just, this is just a little test order. So let's just change this to $10.86. Let's just say that. And we're going to create discount. So this will deduct coins from my account and it's going to give me this code. Now keep in mind, when you're sent this code here, it's displayed and it also doesn't go away. It's also emailed to you. So you can check your spam or junk folders just in case. You could search your inbox for Clovis coins just to make sure you can find that message. But this $10.86 is not gone. It's still in your account. Even if your Clovis coins balance goes down, this $10.86 is not lost until this code is used on a purchase. So we'll copy this, it'll copy it to my clipboard. Let's go to checkout. And once we're in checkout, there's going to be a place to enter this code. We'll click apply, and there you have it. So you can see that that $10.86 was applied directly to my total purchase price here, and then you can just fill in all your information, complete your transaction as you normally would with your chosen payment method, etc., and that's it. That is how you use Clovis coins for a purchase at IamClovis.com.